Oh, listen to me. Your son for 2 weeks has never taken his bath.
Until one can.
The spirit has sent me an email.
That is where you come in. You leave the information matter to me.
What? You comprends pas? I don't understand.
Je comprends pas?
Oui, you ne comprends pas?
That way.
Judavka Novka Starogasko Buska.
Oh.
That is Russian.
Oh, that way.
Your son's head is empty. It is as I speak with you, I'm the not doing a question poise. Nitisonokwa. Hey! Oh, Isa. In his last exams, he had F in chains. Ampa. Yes. And even as I look into his head, I see negative in his head. Hey! So we push your penny credit baby 23 ma. On be yet to arrears. Onya F keteke. Ow!
It's a very long story.
The revelations I have about you, you will wonder if I say them to you. And I can even tell you this. Hi, haliburi, hey.
I'm going to go Sabak, boss.
Oh, no. Je vous la soba to sikam. Come sigi, habugi, etui. You are wearing red panties.
How do you know?
God moves in mysterious ways.
Did you come here to fetch firewood or to look into the soup?
Shatako! Shatale! Askalala! Oshkoli! Askato! Shibale!
Your prayers have been answered.
As long as the spirit remaineth, he has revealed to me there is a cure. Yare bieni hono ma contract name pai bon timi ntutu ase.
You also for come here. I fasting.
On to me.
Me paucho. I know the meat me. That no also for be mama ye be for 2 hours. Ikitin chimi aka mi wu.